My name is Tobias Andersen, and this is the updated version of the last guide on how to make a Facebook smiley. We are now going to make use of a little tool which Lars and Svanes created. This is the tool. I'll show in a minute how it's used. First, we are going to chop up the picture we are going to use for this smiley. This webpage is also been included in the video description. I'm going to choose 3x3 true color resolution for higher image quality. Press process, and this is what we get. Download, and we just go extract this. Okay, so now you both have the black and white version and the color version of this puzzle. The black and white versions are a bit smaller and better for memes which are in black and white. So let's continue to make the actual smiley. I'm gonna go create a new Facebook page. Gonna just upload a photo. Yes. Continue. You're gonna skip this. It's not important. Skip this. Photo album. Upload photos. Select the colored versions. There we go. And done. Post photos. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 pieces. Normally we will have to copy this piece of this URL address to make the codes, like so. But with this new tool we don't need to do that. So we just paste in the code. This is piece number 1, space. This is piece number 2, space. Piece number 3, space. And now there's 3 pieces. This is a 3x3, so now we're going to make a new line, like so. Piece number 4, space. Piece number 5, space. And piece number 6, new line. Piece number 7, space. Piece number 8, space. And piece number 9. Brilliant. Great. And here's the code for the smiley. Now let's test it out. I'm just gonna send it to my dog. Here we go. There's the smiley. And that's how you do it. This is one step closer to a fully automated system. And we are hoping that in the future we will find a way to automatically send the addresses from for these pictures while we are uploading these pieces to a program like this, so that we don't have to do any copy pasting at all. Yeah, that's the future. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want to get the newest version of the smiley codes. Thank you.